Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be walking you through your using Pantomime to tell a story day number 2 video. So yesterday you should have planned out your original pantomime story with a beginning, middle, and an end, and then thought of some actions or some movements that you could do in that video. And now I'm going to be showing you how to do the next part of that assignment. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys like I always do. Let's get started. So when you open up your assignment, you should see this ice cream theme page, and the title is Using Pantomime to Tell a Story, day number 2. We are still working on TEKS 2A and 2F, demonstrating safe use of the voice and our body, and we are practicing using the body to create characters, environments, and actions. And so you're going to start out by answering our top 3 questions, which are your Southwest ISD school email address, which is your ID number at southwestisd.net. You're going to mark your theater class period. This is the period that you have on your original schedule. That's when you should be coming to me if you attend our live sessions. And this should be the period that matches the period on your Google Classroom. So for example, when you go to my theater classroom, it should say theater arts and then a period next to it. That's the period that you should put down there. And then of course your last name, comma, first name. Remember, I ask you guys to write your name this way because it helps me to grade you a lot quicker. And so if you do this simple thing for me, it helps out a lot. Once you've answered those 3 questions, go ahead and click next. You're going to briefly stretch using our same just warm-up stretches that we've been using all throughout our pantomime unit. I have included a timer here for you so that you can time yourself for exactly 5 minutes. Make sure you get that good long 5-minute stretch. If you need to pause this video to go ahead and do that, and you should pause this video to go ahead and do that, go ahead and do it. Take some time to stretch, relax, clear your head, connect your mind to your body, and then go ahead and mark down the stretches that you did. Remember, you do not have to get to every single stretch, just the ones that you were able to do within those 5 minutes. And remember, if you want to do stretches that are not on the list, you're more than welcome to. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to check off what you still have to do. If you didn't do yesterday's lesson, you need to go back and do that one first. You won't be able to do this lesson without having done the one from yesterday. So if you finish that one, your 2 things left to do would be to rehearse, so you would check off that one, and record and post your video. And so essentially what I want you to do with today's lesson is work on your pantomime. Practice acting out your pantomime several times. I would say anywhere between at least 2 to 5 times. Practice doing your pantomime before you record. Do not just hit record and do it just one time. Why? Because you're probably going to have mistakes. You want to practice it so that you can work out the mistakes, work out the things that maybe you didn't think about, maybe make things very clear, make your movements a little bit more clear and specific each time. And so that's why it's really important to rehearse first and then record your video. So after you've practiced acting out the story that you created yesterday, you're going to make a video of yourself performing that story in pantomime, and you're going to post it to Flipgrid here. And so if you need to see an example,
hello everyone.
I did create my own example of me acting out a pantomime for you. And so if you're not sure how to do your video, or if you're not sure how to get started, I highly recommend watching my video example that I've included here for you. Remember, you can always click on the title to make it bigger and extend it. Once you've practiced performing your pantomime story, you're going to click here. You're going to hit join with Google. It's going to ask you for your school account info. And once you log in, you will be able to record a response by clicking on record a response and you'll have the screen pop up like it just did for me right now. Once you're done recording, you'll let me know that you understand how to post to Flipgrid, and then you'll let me know whether you did it or not. And then once you're done, you will click submit, and you are done for the day. So one thing I do want to mention is this Flipgrid video. This is our very last pantomime assignment. So I will be taking this Flipgrid that you make as a test grade. We do not do, you know, the typical written out tests in theater. What I grade you on is your performances and your videos that you make. This is a performance-based class. And so therefore, this will be your first assessment grade of the semester. So think of this video, this Flipgrid video, like a test. So the same way that if you were taking a test in math or science or social studies or reading, you would want to take it seriously and do your best. I recommend that you do that with your video. It's extremely important that you turn this video in. It is required in order to pass this assignment. So unless you want a failing test grade, I recommend that you complete the entire form as well as posting your video to Flipgrid. If for some reason you cannot post to Flipgrid or don't want to, you may also email your video to me at greyna@southwestisd.net. Once you're done, click submit, and we are done with pantomime. We'll be moving into vocal work in our next lesson. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Remember, you can always reach out to Ms. Raina with questions on Remind, commenting on Google Classroom, emailing me, or hopping in on one of our live sessions during the day. That's it for today, guys. Remember, today is a good day. You are in control of you, and every day is a great day to try your best. See y'all next time. Bye.